Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to harvest herbs. Now there's so many different types of herbs that you can select from for your garden, whether it's oregano or thyme or parsley or spearmint, and they're all wonderful for use in the kitchen as well. So you can harvest any type of herb any time of the year. You just don't want to cut the plant all the way down to the ground in the middle of the summer because then it might go dormant or you won't get a lot for the rest of the summer. So the trick when you harvest herbs is try not to cut more than 1/3 of the plant down at one time. So you can trim out of your plants any time of the year, but if you're using a lot of the herbs for your kitchen throughout the summer, try not to use more than 1/3 at a time. For example, if you're using thyme, when you're cutting it back, just cut the tips off. Don't go back more than 2/3 of the plant. So just trim off the tips as you go along and use the thyme throughout the summer. And you'll find that they'll keep growing lush and you can keep cutting through it all summer long. It is in the fall that I really majorly trim them back. And when it freezes hard, they die to the ground anyway. So in the fall, before it freezes hard, you can cut them all the way to the ground on a lot of different herbs. Lavender you wouldn't want to cut to the ground, but anything like thyme or anything that goes dormant all the way to the ground, like mint or a lot of oregano will go to the ground. You can just cut it almost to the ground. It'll come back next year. You can always leave a little bit of the stem on the bottom too, but no matter what you do, they generally come back. And so when you harvest them, you can eat them fresh. You can use them fresh in your dishes or you can dry it. So any woody type of plant I like to hang to dry. That's the best way to dry it. Plants like spearmint, the easiest way to dry it is to actually put it on a paper towel or a newspaper and let it dry itself, or just put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and turn it to maybe 30 seconds more and it'll dry just as it looks. It's a great way to dry spearmint, and you can use them fresh too with lemonade or tea. There's a lot of different ways that you can use spearmint, and you can eat them and use it year round. Same thing in the fall is the best time to really harvest them. So I just chop them all the way to the ground and either hang it up upside down to dry, microwave and dry it that way, and just keep it in bags for the winter, and then you can use the spearmint all winter long until they grow again the next year. It's easy to harvest your herbs, and any time that they're growing in the summer, the rule is only 1/3 of the plant. And in the fall, if it's a plant that goes dormant to the ground, hack it down to the ground and save your herbs for using all winter long.